Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see how we can use the button group. Okay, I'm inside the Reactive application, and here I will add one new screen. Name it students. Okay. I have an entity which contains the data for the students. I'll just drag and drop here. Okay. Now for this one, I need the button group. Okay. Here is button group. So it works. Button groups is used when you want to give a few options to your less options uh, to your users, okay, inside your application. So this has the button group and button items inside the button group. If you want to increase or decrease, you can remove, you can add more, okay, add new item. New item will be added. As in our case, we need these three, which is more than enough, okay. There are two things. The first thing is the button group, and then we have the button item. For the button group, when we click each button inside the button group, it will generate one value, and that value will be stored in the variable of the button group. Okay, so for this, we need one variable. Boolean variable here, name it age filter. Okay, and this should be integer. Okay. Okay. Now this is our button group. Variable it needs. We have the variable age filter. Okay. The variable is stored there. So for this one, this is my, for example, age less than 30, age less than 40, age less than 50. Okay. Now this is the item. When I click this one, what is the value you want to generate? What is the value you want to store it in the age filter variable, and then we'll use this filter in our aggregate to filter the data. Okay. Now the data is coming here is text. I want to convert that text to the long integer as my age filter. So text to long integer. Okay. Now I want to store here 30. Okay. I'll just copy this one and go to the second button and go ahead, make it 30, and the third one, make it 50. Okay. So if I click this one, I will get the 30 and 40 and 50. Okay. Now, when the value is, when you click each button, the value will be changed. So this is my button group. On change event of this one, what I want, I need a new client action. I will come here to this one. I will just, okay, refresh the get students. Okay. Now I would like to go to the aggregate and add the filter there. Okay. But before adding the filter, we don't have the age column. Okay. See? So how we can filter this one? We'll add a new attribute, name it age. Okay. I'll go to the formula. Okay. And this is my date of birth. Okay. And we have the users, the built-in functions. Okay. for date and time, difference, diff days. Okay. Here I want to pass the date of birth. That's the current date. Okay. Give me number of days. So number of days, I will divide it by 365. Okay. And I will round it. So this will give me the age. Sorry, didn't add the filter. Now I can add the filter. This age is less than equals the age filter. Okay. You check it from here as well. This filter with the value you're passing here, it will not affect your runtime, the screen result. Okay, this is just for testing your query here. I think we are good to go. One last thing, maybe it's anonymous and mark as a default. So I'm going to go to other screens and I'll run this one. Look. Uploading, compilation, deployment, and then the application will be ready to view. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now there's no data, so I will click this one. Age less than 30. Unfortunately, I couldn't add the age less than 40. Age less than 50. Okay. Even you can scroll to the second page. Okay. I will go here and now it is displaying why. It is refreshing, but the index should start from 0. It's not going to the first page. That's why it's not showing. So let's add this thing. I'll go here. First of all, let me add this age. Okay. And then I'll go to the button group on change. Before refreshing, let me make the index start index, make it 0. Okay. Okay. Loading, compiling, deploying, and done. Okay, we are ready. Now let's click. Okay, you click this to record. See, the age is 30. There, less than 30, 40 or 40. Okay, and 50. Go to the second page. 45 because less than 50. If I go back to the first button and I click that, age less than 30, now it's working. Okay, thanks for watching.